Is your Camtasia working really slowly? Or does it appear to be saving all the time? Well, let me show you how to fix that. First off, a couple of things to be aware of. When you're saving things, if you're working for one of your clients, or you're working for you've got a permanent job or something like that, and they want you to be saving to the network, well, really with video editing, because video files are massive, they can be 60 megabytes, they can be much more than that. You want to be saving locally. You want to really be saving this to your hard disk, your C drive. But if they are insisting you save to your network, well, first off, that's going to be one of the things that slows you down, okay? Because it's trying to upload this massive file all the time. Anyway, the other thing it's probably going to be is if you go to edit along the top here, so edit, preferences, you've got enable autosave every minute. Now, normally it's set to every 2 minutes, but I've got it set to 1 minute for some reason. But that means that this is trying to save every single minute this massive, 60 megabyte, 100 megabyte file, which obviously takes a lot of processing power. So change this to something more manageable. So 10 minutes, every 20 minutes, every 30 minutes, and then press OK. I do recommend you leave it ticked though, because I'd rather lose 20 or 30 minutes work rather than losing all of my work if I've not saved something for quite some time. And let's be honest, Camtasia does crash sometimes, so I would recommend leaving it ticked. Whatever you change it to, press OK, and that should hopefully solve your problems. Anyway, whilst you're at it, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment if you've got any questions. It all helps, it really does help a lot, so please subscribe, and thank you very much.